What's up, guys, and welcome to Dance with Tech. We have a new tech toy to play with today, and that's a Maono microphone. And this video is sponsored by Maono. So let's get right into the show. So we're going to do the usual techie thing, the unboxing. Do you ever get anxious whenever you are unboxing a product? Man, not me. Just make a random conversation. As you can see, you'll get a manual that nobody reads, as well as a microphone with an off and on button that shows a microphone and headset picture. On the back, everything gets interesting. You'll see a dual mode, the XLR and USB-C interface, and a headphone jack. I remember the days when headphone jacks were regularly available on a lot of products, but now it's a rare sight these days. In the middle rests a controllable RGB lighting. Outside of that, the arm and the clamp are included, as well as a cable that is both USB-A and USB-C. Now you have your setup complete, and after doing a 10-minute installation, now let's test out the sound. And FYI, if you don't know what that means, then here it goes right here. I'm horrible, okay, man? I will be using a USB-C port and not the XLR. So let's go ahead and check out the sound test. I'm predicting that the audio is going to sound pretty good, especially consider the fact that I have done like a test early on my computer where I hooked the cord to my computer and I was talking, and it sounded really good, but I'm not sure how this is going to do with being hooked to my camera. And right here again are the controls, and the volume may go up by how, I'm not sure. They don't have no type of indicators to let you know what the volume control is. So if they have some type of like a digital front to tell you, from like 1 to 10, what the case may be, probably better manageable. So that way, if you're doing like multiple recordings, you already have your audio, your volume control set a certain way. As you heard, the sound of my voice is nice and clear, and a subscribe to the channel will elevate the sound of my voice. You like that, don't you? I'm not a sound expert, but I think that will work for me because a lot of people like myself and consumers will find this a very easy setup and a user-friendly experience. And not only is user-friendly, it's also budget-friendly. So you're not gonna spend a whole lot of money on a setup anyways. So I just think that as far as the sound clarity, it sounds good, as you guys heard, so you could actually judge it for yourself. And I will honestly say that this will be a good product to use, especially if you have some type of podcast. Now, I will say this though, you have to be up close to use a microphone, and that kind of like bothers me because I don't like having things like all up in my face. But if you're like 6 to 10 inches away, the sound quality will get really low. So that would be my only complaint, I would say. Otherwise, the Maono microphone will work well if you are a content creator that uses podcast platforms, as I said before, or something else, or whatever you wanted to do or use, or even for YouTube or Facebook. It doesn't matter. I think you will be pleased with the sound outcome. Now, the microphone is a nice stylish look with the color looking LED light ring. However, if you're using an XLR plug-in type, then you won't be able to use the LED light ring, which is a bummer. And another touch, you'll be able to plug in your headphones and hear how you sound. So then that way you can kind of judge if you're too loud, too low, or what the case may be. Now, if you're interested in this product, I will leave a link below. Not only you can buy the microphone, but you can buy a bundle which consists of the microphone and a streaming mixer. I will be reviewing the mixer in another video. And if you're wondering what this is, well, it's something beautiful and mysterious. It's a volume dial, see? And don't forget to dial your finger at the subscribe and like button. I got you, didn't I? And if you're looking for more awesome content, then you're at the right place. You're at Dancing with Tay. And until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.